In today's video, I'm going to teach you avoid late payments, how to set up invoice reminders in Xero 5 minutes. Let's get started by signing in. Open Xero and head to the login page. Click the login button, enter your email address and password, and select login again. If you use more than one organization in Xero, make sure you're in the correct one before moving on. Once you're on the main dashboard, we'll navigate to the invoices area where reminders are managed. From the dashboard, choose Business in the top navigation, then click Invoices. On the Invoices screen, look for the Invoice Reminders status indicator. If it shows off, click it to open the Reminder Settings page. This is where you'll enable and customize the messages that go out to customers when their invoices are approaching due today, or overdue. Turn on reminders by ticking the checkbox to enable email reminders. This switch activates the feature across your organization's invoices. You can fine-tune the schedule and messaging so they align with your tone of voice and payment terms. Next, if you see an existing reminder you want to adjust, click Edit. Here you can set when the reminder should be sent in relation to the due date and tailor the subject and body of the email. Keep your tone polite but clear, and consider including helpful context like the invoice number and amount so customers can act quickly. When you're happy with the wording and timing, click Save to lock in those changes. If you need more than one touch point, click plus Add Reminder to create an additional reminder. For example, you might set one before the due date and another a few days after. Space them out in a way that nudges customers without overwhelming them. After setting the timing and message for the new reminder, click Save to add it to your sequence. When you've finished configuring all your reminders, click Save one final time at the bottom of the page. This ensures your global settings are applied and the reminders are officially turned on. Back on the Invoices page, confirm that the status now shows reminders are enabled. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to Invoices, opened the reminder settings, enabled email reminders, edited the default messages, added any extra reminders you need, and saved everything. With this setup, Xero will automatically send timely, consistent nudges, so you spend less time chasing payments and more time running your business. If you ever need to update the timing or wording, just return to the same reminder settings page and make your adjustments.